Okay, so this is what you do if you have a swell with flow line grades that you've entered in, but you don't have any other elevations. You have a swell that appears to be flat on the bottom, possibly. You have a daylight line on both sides, daylight here and here. You have a center line flow line grade. But how do you build the rest of this swell out? So right here we have a section detail B C5.0. So you're going to go to the plans, find sheet C5.0, go to detail B, and there's a cross-section view of your canal, your ditch, or your swells. Trapezoidal swell section. Okay, so we can see here we have a bottom 3 foot wide minimum, and it's flat. And then we have a 3-to-1 up to daylight on both directions. So I'm going to go back to the model, pick your flow line, go to offset tool, and we're going to go 1.5 feet at 0 each direction. We're going to call that line a hinge point, HP. We're going to apply, left and right, apply. And now that gives us the hinge point at the bottom of the slope. Now we're going to take that hinge point, use the offset tool, and click daylight to existing function and type in a 3-to-1 slope, plus or minus cut to fill. Apply left on this side, and there's our daylight to existing at a 3-to-1. Apply, close. Grab the other side hinge point, use the daylight tool, swap it to the right side, apply and close. Now we have a fully built swell with hinge point and catch point daylighted on both sides. So now we're going to look at it in 3D and make sure that it looks correct. Flip over to 3D mode, click on the center. I like to make my vehicle the rod so it doesn't block your view. And there we go, we have a swell that daylights up on both sides at a 3-to-1 with a flat bottom.